education space is exactly for this reason.
Your one point need one answer from Your Excellency, from Ms. Kunam, that the categories of the investors, I mean that the investors should be high level amount or big amount invest, or can be medium amount to be invest in Kazakhstan. In other words, the type of project can be medium project, or should be high project, which should be a lot of money.
Okay. From the but now we change the situation. There is no particular amount that could be the minimum or maximum to invest in Kazakhstan, because today some industries they don't require big investments but could change the overall industries inside the country. So there is no limitation in terms of the amount that could be invested in Kazakhstan. All investors are very welcome with the Expo, but it will not end with the Expo itself. So Expo will end, but our work will be continuing.
So thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.